Hey, this is Roland, and today I'm going to share with you how simple it is to make an Herbalife meal replacement shake using a blender. First, all you need is about 8 ounces of water, depending on how thick or how thin you want it. You can add a little less water, a little bit more. And then I have a cup of ice here, but depending on the size of the ice cubes you have, and again, how thick you want it, you could just add a little bit more or a little bit less ice, right? So let's just dump that in. And then I'm going to use 2 scoops of the Formula One meal replacement shake. It's a complete meal replacement. Today I'm going to use mango pineapple. We have a ton of different flavors. They're all great. I've been drinking these for 29 years. I'm 60 years old. I feel absolutely great. I have at least 2 every single day. And when you make your shake, you want to make it a little bit over. You don't have to make it quite level. Just make it a little bit over, 2 scoops. And that'll give you, just with this, is 9 grams of protein. Now, you can also use it with, mix it with skim milk if you want. I've been using water for years, and I just love it. And then I also add another product that's protein drink mix. This just adds to it. It adds to the thickness. And it also adds, depending on whether you give it 1 scoop or 2 scoops, the amount of increase in proteins. Again, I'll use 2 scoops. That gives me 24 grams of protein with each serving. It gives you the complete nutrition that you need. Let's just blend this up and I'll show you what it looks like. And if we have to add a little more ice, we'll add a little more ice. We'll just let this go for a minute. But like I said, it's so easy to make. It's simple. You can take them on the go. And then in another video, I'll show you how simple it is just to make it in a shaker container. So if you're on the fly, you get the complete meal. You get everything you need in balance. And it's so good. I said 29 years I've been using these every single day, just about. And I feel great every single day. Let's just blend this up a little bit more, and that's it. Like I said, if you want to make it a little thicker, you add a little more ice and maybe a little less water. But this one came out pretty good. Perfect. That's how easy it is to make an Herbalife shake. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow my YouTube channel for more.